Hi, welcome to Berkeley's Amazing Books. Today we are going to read Little Blue Truck's Halloween. Little Blue Truck's Halloween. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me, it's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me, it's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels in a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me, it's me. What scraggly hair, what funny teeth. Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me, it's me. There's a fancy feathers on that pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me, it's me. A dragon's head, a dragon's wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Nah, says the horse. It's me, it's me, it's me. Croak, says Toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Off come the sheep bits, you know who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo! I hope you enjoyed Little Blue Truck's Halloween. Happy Halloween. Bye.